Yo, so I'm cooking some pancakes today. I bought some new, little more expensive syrup and I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna compare it to the normal brand, well, the brand that I normally buy. And I'm gonna let y'all know how I feel about it, what I think, and we'll just go from there. So I have tried this yet many times. This is my normally go-to, but I just happened to change my mind. Last time I went to the grocery store and got me some of this. And I'm gonna taste test it. I'm gonna try this out for the first time and I'll let you know what my reaction or my review is. Or y'all gonna see it anyway, so here we go. Let's start out with the regular, you know what I'm saying, a little some, before we go on to the good stuff. So here we go. Notice how liquidy this is compared to the very thick, cheaper brand. So I'm gonna pour some of this on a plate. Damn, pour out like water. The moment we all been waiting for. Why haven't I done this a long time ago? I really have been on this earth for over 2 decades and I'm just now trying this super delicious syrup that nobody's even offered for me to try, and that makes y'all selfish. All y'all houses who I've been over, my so-called friends, you want to offer me this bull crap? Absolutely not. So just know, if we ever having breakfast and you pull out that bottle over there, I'm not eating. I'm not eating, straight up. Please, if you haven't, buy you some expensive syrup here, the real deal. Try it out for yourself. I'm pretty kind of shocked. I've been missing out on this for the longest time. So without further ado, it's your boy Backfire 313. I'm signing off. Enjoy your Saturday.